It's going to be a significant day today as the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be making the electoral pitch in Srinagar later today. And as he campaigns for BJP's Mission 44 in the state, security has been stepped up in the valley and Srinagar has been fortified to avoid any untoward incident.
Preparations on in full swing, security stepped up in the valley as PM Modi is expected to address a mega rally in Srinagar later today.
Here, outside the Sher-e-Kashmir cricket grounds at this moment, there is massive security arrangement. Apart from the SPG, the Special Protection Group, of course, you can see the Jammu and Kashmir police and the CRPF who are clearly vigilant at this moment. Roads across this stadium have been sanitized completely. There are
4 days after the terror strike in Kashmir, security forces not taking any chance, turning Srinagar into a virtual fortress.
Strict security checks, barricades have been put in place. No chances will be taken in the backdrop of the 3 attacks that have taken place 13 deaths later. Jammu and Kashmir police and the CRPF have taken over this road here in the city, while the SPG has taken over the Sher-e-Kashmir stadium. So certainly not taking any chances here.
His visit is being seen as a turning point in the politics of Jammu and Kashmir, as he will be taking forward BJP's Mission 44 in the state.
First of all, I think Modi ji has already come here so many times, so he has already conveyed his intentions that he is going to really transform this whole J&K state into a very new modern city. So that profile is already done. A big rally will add flavor to the whole thing, and I'm sure that will add the whole voting pattern will further change in that direction.
The Bharatiya Janata Party has been maintaining Vajpayee's Kashmir policy in the form of the new Prime Minister Narendra Modi's approach towards the entire situation in Kashmir.
But PM's Kashmir visit is not striking the right chord with the Congress.
स्टेडियम उन्होंने चुना है, उसकी कैपेसिटी 4,500 है और 4,500 में प्राइम मिनिस्टर का स्टेज और डी बनेगा 1,500 में और 2,500 उसकी बाद में कैपेसिटी रही. तो अगर बीजेपी को 2,500 में 1 लाख नजर आता है तो वो चश्मा अभी तक दुनिया में नहीं बना है.
With this high voltage campaign in Jammu and Kashmir, can BJP dent the vote share of regional parties like NC and PDP? Bureau Report, Times Now.